I first wish you all a very happy Women's Day. So today I'm at Dharmatala to give you a clear idea of the bus, where we stand and how to buy the ticket and everything. So what you see over here is West Bengal government buses are actually available at this place, which is if you enter straight from the main entrance of Dharmatala stand, you will get Over here, counter 6 is actually the place where you will get tickets for Karpet, Namkhana and Shorisha, Diamond, those places. Tickets you will get from here. Beside that, you can see there are other counters where you will get Digha non-AC, Digha AC, Volvo tickets. This is the waiting area of the passengers. Over here, counter 8, counter 9 are of Bardhaman and Arambagh respectively. You can see a chart available. The buses of Digha will be going via Nicheda, Nandipur, Kathi, and the buses of Haldia will be going via Nicheda and Nandipur, and the buses of Mednipur will be going via Pashkura, Devra. So all this you can view. Over here you have toilet facilities also, and every facility is there. Okay, here you will get the timings approximately of AC and non-AC buses. Okay, now this is for South Bengal. Another idea that I want to share with you all is Dakshin Bengal Rashtriya Parivahan Samstha, which you can see is written over here, is actually the buses of South Bengal. Okay, so this buses actually doesn't have a fixed place where they stand. So they stand sometimes in this place of WBTC buses because they don't have an exact place. So when the WBTC bus arrives, they actually have to shift their place to some other. They shift a bit, and the WBTC buses will stand over here only. At this place only you will get the WBTC buses. Okay, now let me give you an idea of how to go to Diamond, Namkhana, all those places. Okay, by luxury, not government buses. Okay, non-government buses. So this, what you can see in front is ST80, which is a bus by which you can go to Diamond. Okay, Diamond Harbour. Diamond means Diamond Harbour. Okay, so the fares are same. The fares are almost same. It's 35 for the places before Shorisha, and after that it increases to 40. And another important thing, you will not get a ticket if you go up till Shirakot. Okay, that means minimum ticket is 30. Okay, so this is a fact. Minimum ticket is 30. Before that, suppose you go to Behala, till Behala or those, you will not get ticket from this ticket counters. Now, let me give you an idea of how to buy the ticket. Obviously, you will give the line over in the, you will stand in the queue of ticket counter, and you will say your place name. Okay, if the ticket is available means if the seat, obviously according to the seat, they will give the ticket. Okay, I'm talking about that a bit later. First, let me show you the ticket paper. This is how the ticket you can see a 4-digit number is the bus number. This is the seat number. So you can match this bus number with the number written in the name. You can see same number. So this bus is only available for this ticket. Now, if you cannot catch this bus, or if this bus goes and then you arrive, suppose you went to a bit buying chips or something like that, and the bus goes off, then what to do? Will you be available? Will you be able to go to another bus? Okay, now that's a problem. Why? Because this ticket is only valid for this bus. Okay. It is very rare case where very rare case, if you are a regular passenger, and very rare case they can cancel this ticket, and with that amount only they will give you place for the next bus. But usually you will have to buy another ticket for another bus. Okay. So now how they give the seat numbers? Let us see first where the seat number have they given. This is the window seat. Where there is written W, that means it is window seat. So you can see there are 55 seats. You can hear that they are announcing that the bus is leaving this time. So whenever it's the time for the bus to leave the stand, and they will announce it. So no doubt, no problem, but you need to be careful, means you need to be keep your ears on this announcements. Okay. So what I was saying about this bus number is about the seat number. They actually avail to you the window seats only first. Okay, each and every window seats will be booked first. You can see that.
কাকদ্বীপগাড়ি স্ট্যান্ড যাচ্ছে 26-15 কাকদ্বীপগাড়ি স্ট্যান্ড যাচ্ছে যেতে যাচ্ছে নিউজ সংগ্রহ করেছেন গাড়িতে চলে যাবে 26-15 কাকদ্বীপগাড়ি স্ট্যান্ড যাচ্ছে 26-15 কাকদ্বীপগাড়ি স্ট্যান্ড যাচ্ছে